And so we are going to go through this video. I want to react to this video of a pastor, one pastor in Nigeria, what he said. Okay, and I have something to say about that. Let's listen to this. And before then, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Very, very important.
In 2023, when campaign of presidential election was hot everywhere in Nigeria, when the obedient were everywhere, and everybody, all the pastors were saying Peter Obi, Peter Obi, Peter Obi, Peter Obi. I came out and I said, by voting Peter Obi, by sitting Tinubu.
I'm not interested about what he's talking about, P2B. I just want us to hear what he said about, Mas Namadakan and the advice that he gave to Tinubu, okay, as a president of Nigeria, because everybody is calling for Mas Namadakan release, but we need to understand that hands that are holding Mas Namadakan in detention today is not only about Igbo politicians. Tinubu have a role to play on that. Let's just hear this.
And I give a very specific prophecy. And I told the world, I said, the Lord said to me that there is a secret in Aso Rock, that He is going to reveal that secret very soon, that will shock the whole world. That was when I spoke about the demons in form of human being leaders that are sitting in that Aso Rock. I said there is a secret that God is going to reveal very soon. It's not going to be too far from now. That secret, if care is not taken, if the situation is not managed well, that secret will shut down the whole of Aso Rock. I gave that prophecy in Ikorodu. That was when I gave the prophecy. I'm sure you people are hearing what is happening now. Those of you who are on the internet, who are ready, you are hearing what is happening now. Yeah? I just came to advise our president. You know, say, the hear what?
Okay.
President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I just came to advise him. Trade with caution. Trade with caution. Trade with caution. Tell the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to trade with caution. Whatever you can do to manage the situation on ground, because the one coming will be bigger than you.
Okay.
When the prophets speak, the wise they listen. If I tell you, thus saith the Lord, you doubt me, you be echoing, you be also.
Sometimes when you hear a message like this, that the problem that is coming will be bigger than you. Some of us may think it's because of different issue. Sometimes it's not. I'm being honest. I feel like this message that this man is giving and this pastor is giving now has to do with invaders, like what happened in Yemen. All of a sudden, Islamic movement decided to overthrow the government and take over. And the government is the one giving them this link. The template, everything is there for Nigeria is there for a take. Let's continue.
What is coming to the Aso Rock of Nigeria is bigger than what anybody can ever imagine. Very big. Very, very big. So, the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, should trade with caution. And I want to use this opportunity to tell the federal government to release Mas Nnamdi Kanu.
Thank you.
Because what I'm seeing is going to come like this. It will come like this. It will come like this. And it will end up. Boom! Before they will be able to trace it like this. Trace it and come like this. Everywhere just scatter.
Okay. So it may not be the Islamic terror, like I said. It could be other things. I'm just saying, this is my own opinion, okay? Don't blame me on that. You have right to say your own. That's why commission is open for you to tell us what you think about it, because message like this can go this way or this way. You can never tell. But do you actually believe him? Do you believe me? Personally, I do. Because the way things are going now in Nigeria, it is very, very, very clear that is either it's going to favor Nigeria or it will hit Nigeria very, very, very bad. The trap is not only for one person. The trap is set for everybody. That is why my own concern is about what people are making now, what we are going through in the name of making sure that we have this or have that, and but our land, our region is being threatened, and nobody is doing anything about it. That is why Gumi came out and said, use Igbo youth to fight IPB, and Igbo governors, did not even hesitate to implement that kind of suggestion from Gumi of all people. What a what a word. Anyway, let's continue.
What happened in June 12th is about to repeat itself in Nigeria. Me, I be Oba, I know they go transfer. As I talk finish, I go fold my hand, I go enter house, I go watch you now. When it don't happen again, I'll majadi. The president, this is a message for you. Open your eyes, trade with caution. Do not carry your body and say, I'm the president, I'm the president. They go break those wings. I'm the president, I'm no triumph. Because what is coming is bigger than I'm a president. I'm the president. What is coming? This is how I speak to you people. You know they hear. Blessed that they use Kotibu, they block on a ear. That was how I spoke to Mahmoud Buhari. You know here. In 2015, I spoke to the world that they should not remove Goodluck Jonathan. That Nigeria will eat sand. All of us say I was a fake prophet. When they chop sand now, when I begin to correct me saying, I'm bring Tinubu, I bring himself come. I only said what I saw. So the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria should trade with caution, should trade very well with caution, and make sure that as they enter into the month of March, Mars Nnamdi Kanu is released. I know some of the wicked leaders in Igbo land are the ones that are saying keep Nnamdi Kanu, not Tinubu. Tinubu, you have the power as the president to say let him be released. Release him so that when the battle will come.
No other wicked leader apart from the governor of Imo State, and of course other ones, but he is the one. Anyway,
We will know where the battle follow come. Because right now, the battle is going to come. I'm demonstrating the game. You come like this, you come like this, you come like this. Boom! Masoro. I will know how far. May God protect Nigeria. May God protect the good people of Nigeria. May the greediness of our leaders not take the life of innocent Nigeria. I pray for you that shouted amen. This year, 2025, you will dedicate your miracle. If your amen is the loudest, your miracle is released. Jump up!
you see, sometimes these pastors always, like when they pray for Nigeria and all that, they did that. They're doing that simply because fear. How can you send this message without saying something that's going to please the government of the day? And I understand that. Do I blame them? No, 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 not at all. Who will actually war one another? Who want to go prison for nothing? So it is very clear. But this is this should be a very, very big warning for any Igbo person to understand that we are not getting a lot of things. We are not getting a lot of things right. We are not. Mazamokan is still there for no just reason. Anyway, my people, thank you so much, and make sure you like this video. Tell me what you think about it. Do you agree or disagree? Just put your comments on the comment section and subscribe to the channel if you are new. We are going through a lot, honestly. If you begin to count all those things or begin to think deeper about what is awaiting for our people, you will shed tears. God bless you all. Take care.